know the secret to growing on YouTube faster? It's not just uploading videos, it's understanding your audience. If you don't know who is watching, you will keep guessing. In today's video, I will show you how to really understand your YouTube audience and use that to grow your channel. So come with me to YouTube Studio. All right, let's go to YouTube Studio. You open your YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. You go to your analytics. You check your analytics. You go to your audience. All right, you check your audience. Then you see audience by watch behavior. You will see your new viewers, casual viewers, regular viewers. All right, then you will know how to check when your audience are online. When your viewers are on YouTube, you will check. Like, see my own now is 12:51 a.m. 6:43 a.m. 12:53 p.m. and 6:53 p.m. That is my own country time. So you will check from your own country. You see it. See what they are using to watch you: mobile, TV, tablet, computer. You will check. Then you will check the ages of your audience. The ages are all here: 13, 17. You see all these people. Then you see the genders. Then you will see the country where you are, the country where they are watching you from mostly, the country that are watching your videos mostly. You will check. You check all these things. You will check your watch time for subscribers, what your audience watch, all these things. All right, this is how to understand your audience. Use your YouTube analytics. Then you will tap your audience, just like I show you. You go to your YouTube Studio, search your audience, check their age, their gender, their country, and the returning viewers and your new viewers. All right, look at where your viewers are, when your viewers are online, and that is, you will know the best time to post. All right, watch time and retention. See which videos people watch the longest. If your viewers click but they don't stay, it means the topic or the style isn't connecting. So double down on the videos where they stay the longest. Double down on the videos where they stay the longest. That means recreate it. All right, read comment and community tab. Your audience tells you what they want in the comments. Listen to your audience. If they have any questions, any challenge, you answer. Ask direct questions in your video. What video do you want next? And also use poll in the community tab to test ideas. And this is what you again point traffic source. Check where people are finding your videos. Is it from search? Is it from suggested? Is it from short field? If most are from search, make searchable content. And if suggested, continue making similar videos. Experiment and compare. Try different videos, different video lengths, thumbnails or styles, and see which one your audience responds to best. All right, so if you want to grow faster, don't just upload. Study your audience. Your viewers are your biggest teachers. The more you know about them, the easier it will be to grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more YouTube tips growth. Thank you for watching.